I'm going to show you how to do a beautiful slice with ginger and oats. For this recipe I'm using 3 tablespoons sliced and chopped ginger preserved. Ginger preserve come in a bottle like this. You can buy that from Asian grocery shops, and it comes with the syrup, so the syrup can be used in baking cakes too. So I'm going to use that and show you how to use it. And 1.5 teaspoons baking powder with 3/4 cup of plain flour, 150 grams butter, half a cup of brown sugar, 1.5 cups rolled oats, and 2 tablespoons ginger syrup from the preserved ginger. Instead of preserved ginger, you can use crystallized ginger or 2 teaspoons of powdered ginger. If you are using those two types, you can add golden syrup instead of the preserved ginger syrup. So let's start doing it. I'll write everything in description box below. Into a heat-proof bowl or into a pot, add the butter, and into that add the 2 teaspoons of preserved ginger syrup or golden syrup, and into that add the sugar and put it in the microwave and melt the butter with the sugar and the syrup. When you use the microwave for this, make sure you take it out few times and stir, because microwave heat can burn the sugar and make it worse. So if you are doing it in the pot, you don't need to worry, but if you are doing it in the microwave, you need to take out few times and stir well. Once the butter dissolves, add the ginger and mix, and after add the coconut, mix, and then the rolled oats and mix, when you add the rolled oats, make sure that you mix it really well to absorb all the beautiful flavors from the syrup. And after, baking powder, and then the plain flour. Make sure to mix well using a spatula. Next, take a slice tray and spray oil and put a baking paper. So after mixing, prep the tray and put the mixture in. And using your spatula, press it in tightly. Make sure you have to press very hard and firm. And after, bake this about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. While baking the slice, I'll show you the other ingredients that we need to do the ginger and oat crunch. For that, I'm using 2 cups of icing sugar, 100 grams butter, and 2 tablespoons chopped ginger or powder. You can always adjust the level of ginger in this recipe, and 2 tablespoons golden syrup. We need to do this while the slice is hot. So into a pot, add the butter and the 2 tablespoons golden syrup, and then add the crystallized ginger and melt the butter and the golden syrup together. After melting the syrup, add the sugar and mix well. To dissolve that, I'm going to put this again on the stove and dissolve all the sugar in the syrup. So I bake the slice 20 minutes and going to pour the syrup on top. While it is hot, it's easy to spread, so spread it evenly and leave it to cool down completely so it will set properly. So all the pieces of ginger, if you put the powder you won't see any pieces on top. So I'm going to leave it to cool down completely. So the ginger crunch is ready. I'm going to take it out from the tray. Slowly release it and take out. Once it cools down, it sets properly. So let's cut it and see how it looks like. So this is a really beautiful ginger slice that you can prepare at home, and you can freeze this if you want, or you can put this in the fridge for about a month, or can keep outside about a week. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.